In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin team member to Google Analytics GA4 property. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite a teammate and give them the right level of access safely and efficiently. First, open your Google Analytics account in a desktop browser and sign in with an account that already has permission to manage users. Once you're in, look to the bottom left and click the admin gear icon. This is where all your account and property settings live. In the admin screen, go to the account column and click Account Access Management. This page shows who currently has access at the account level. Giving access here applies broadly across properties in the account. If your organization prefers property-specific access, just remember there's a similar option under the property column called Property Access Management. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed at the account level, since these steps are the same style of process. At the top right of the Access Management page, click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Add Users. This opens the invitation panel where you'll define who you're adding and what they can do. Enter their email in the field provided. Make sure it's the email associated with their Google account and double-check for typos to avoid sending an invite to the wrong person. If your team uses a shared inbox, consider using a dedicated team address managed internally for continuity. Next, choose the standard roles. Roles determine what actions the person can take. Viewer can see reports, analyst can create and share assets, editor can configure settings, and administrator can manage users and settings. Since we're adding an admin team member, select the role that grants the administrative capabilities your teammate needs. Always follow the principle of least privilege. Only grant administrator if they truly need to manage users and critical settings. Below roles, you'll see data restrictions. These let you control access to sensitive metrics like cost and revenue. If your teammate doesn't need to see monetary data, enable the relevant restrictions here. This is a helpful safeguard for finance-related privacy and compliance. When everything looks right, click Add. Google Analytics will send an email invitation automatically. Your teammate can accept and start using their access right away. If they don't see the message, have them check spam or promotions, and you can verify their status back on the Access Management page. That's it. You've opened Admin, navigated to Account Access Management, added a user, assigned the appropriate role, applied data restrictions as needed, and confirmed the invite. You can return here anytime to update roles, apply tighter restrictions, or remove access as your team evolves.